directions.
All right, so the problem I found here with this sliding door is that the sliding door here works okay, but the screen door is kind of stiff. So when you go to open it, sometimes it works okay, it's working okay now. But then when you try to open it, if you open it a few times, it starts to stick. What you're gonna notice is that it's because it's off the track on the bottom there. It's kind of stiff. There we go, see, I'm pushing it and it won't go, right? There, ow. So it won't go. So what happens here is these things are on wheels. There's usually about 2 wheels on the bottom here. And what they've done is they've actually come off the track. So a lot of times you could just take a butter knife. If you can see the wheels, you're gonna look at it from the side here. Come over here, take a look. So you're gonna wanna look right in here and see if you can see the wheel. You'll probably see one like around here and one around over here. So, but in this particular case, if you go around the front here, yeah, you're gonna have to get right down here. You can actually see the wheel here, right here. Down at the bottom, you can kind of see the outline of a wheel right around there. It's kind of hard to see. But anyway, what this screw is it's actually an adjustment. So if you take a look at the door here, when I adjust it, if I tighten it, see how the door goes up? That means the wheel's coming down because it's making the door go up. But if I want to put that wheel back on the track, I go counterclockwise. You'll see the door go down. All right, and then you can kind of see where it is. Actually, which a lot of times you could just slide the door right over, and then tighten that screw again so that wheel goes down. And that wheel should go, you really got to look down the track too, so you're going to be lying on the floor for this kind of job. All right, so I can see the wheel. Looks like it's, yeah, it looks like it's on that track now. So that's really all there is to fixing this problem. So you can tighten it up a little more just to make sure it's on that wheel so it won't come loose. And now let's see how it runs. Much smoother, no sticking. I get stuck before to the point where I couldn't even move it. So, and a lot of times too, when it's stuck, you can push it near the bottom, it'll be okay because you're compensating for the wheels, but if you pull it up top, that's where you really see the difference. But now that I've adjusted that wheel, it closes no matter where you touch the screen door.